Hey, zero TMG Pits, Knoxville, Tennessee, folks. We've got yet another beautiful 250-gallon TMG tank smoker rolling out of the shop. This one going to my man Dustin in California. That's right. We're going to ship this trailer all the way across the country to my man Dustin. Now, this ain't his first TMG pit. All right, he also has a 48-inch Santa Maria grill. He called us up and said, guys, love this Santa Maria grill, but I need me an offset smoker. Can you put it on a trailer? And hey, can you put me a little extra room in the back for me to bolt my Santa Maria on? I said, hey, bud, no problem. We got you. So we have built him this single axle, 6,000 pound capacity trailer. Guys, we build all of our trailers in-house and we design around our setup. So we got, you'll see on the back side, we got him a little spot for him to put his Santa Maria grill, finishing some slick gloss black paint, black wheels with a bullet hole, of course, all LED lighting. Really take pride in all our trailers. Guys do a really nice job. You always got some storage room on them as well. Let's check out the smoker here. Like I said, our 250-gallon pit. Guys, we set our tank smokers up to where they come standard with about every feature you're going to need. All right, so the fold down stack, that is standard on a TMG tank. We'll open her up here. All of our tank smokers get top racks. All right, I ain't going to charge you extra for top rack. It's included in the price. You got 3 bottom grates. They don't slide out, but they are removable. Top racks, they do slide out. You got drip guards on the doors, help control some of that grease. TMG Pits tell truth thermometers there, one in each door, made in the USA, of course. Step around to the firebox. We have our fully insulated firebox. That is on every tank smoker. We do that. Insulated door, 24-inch pipe in there. It's wrapped with insulation. The front of it's insulated as well, so holds heat great. Just makes this thing a dream to run. On the back side here, we did one of our stainless steel prep tops, all right? So folds down, unlock it, lift it up, get to all your storage underneath, fold it back down, prep off of it, serve off of it, you're ready to roll. Here was that little spot I was mentioning earlier. Perfect spot for him to bolt his 48-inch Santa Maria grill on. A little extra storage up front. Finish him off with a matching 6-slug spare tire. So guys, y'all know the deal. If you need a custom pit belt, you know to call TMG Pits, Knoxville, Tennessee.